Pastor Warren here. Welcome to another edition of Mondays Are for the Dogs. Well, we're going back to our roots, back to Streamwood, where it all began with our family. We were out at Bodie Lake in Streamwood, Illinois. And this was a place where we would take our dog then. His name was Barney. He was a golden retriever. And we would take Barney to the lake here, and we would throw tennis balls out there, and he would swim out to go get the tennis ball and come back. And me and my kids, we would throw stones to try and skip stones and try and count how many skips we got. So a lot of fun out here, a lot of great memories. And I know that I brought Copper and Cosmo out here, and we did a video a while ago. So I thought, all right, we got to keep the tradition alive, keep bringing the family to where it started, back to our roots here at Bodie Lake. So Barkley and Bailey are enjoying Bodie Lake for the first time. You'll see early, you probably saw in the video, they put their toes in the water. We're not ready to throw tennis balls yet. So, but anyway, just thinking about roots, it reminded me of what Paul said in Ephesians 3 verse 17, that that his prayer is that we may be rooted and grounded in God's love, so that with all God's people, we can understand and grasp how wide and how long, how deep and how wide and how high is the love of God for all people. So that's my prayer for you today as we think about our roots. May you reflect on your roots of your faith that God gives to you, and may you understand and how deep and how high and how long and how wide is the love of Christ for you. All right, well, we're going to keep exploring, and we hope you have a blessed day in the Lord. God's peace. We'll see you later. Here we go, guys.